I'm going to show you how to investigate further detail of environmental alarms. In this instance, I have 3 environmental alarms that are appearing for my illuminated manuscript on the first floor. These alarms are as followed. The bottom one shows me that the temperature limit for the object has been exceeded. The middle one here shows me that the relative humidity limit has been exceeded. And this top one here shows me that the delta of the relative humidity limit has been exceeded. In other words, the speed of change of relative humidity is too quick. Now, if I would like to see further information for any of these alarms, I simply need to click on the alarm as I've done so for the temperature alarm at the bottom. At this point, I see an event report, the suggested action which I have previously entered to the system. Perhaps I want to follow out those protocols. Or perhaps first I want to see exactly when and how this limit has been exceeded. In order to do this, I click on the chart and I will be shown in real time exactly what has caused that alarm and when the breach has occurred. In this case, I can see that this is my maximum temperature and the line here shows me that the temperature has been exceeded for this object. This would be the same for a relative humidity alarm, where I can come in, I can see the chart, and I can see there that actually the minimum levels of relative humidity I have set, the readings are falling too low, and therefore the parameters have been breached. Once I've investigated, perhaps altered temperature controls, or just decided that I'm fine with these alarms, I simply need to clear them. I can clear them one by clicking on the checkboxes on the left-hand side, or I could choose to clear all of them by selecting this small button in the top left and then clearing the alarms. After that, all my alarms have been cleared and I can carry on.